Have you ever wanted to build your own AI? It's easier than you think. Welcome to the fascinating realm of artificial intelligence, a field that combines the brilliance of human intellect with the processing power of machines. At its core, AI is about creating systems that can learn, adapt, and potentially operate autonomously. From powering smart assistants to revolutionizing healthcare, AI's impact on modern technology is profound and ever-expanding. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey. Our goal? To demystify the process of AI creation and make it accessible to everyone. Whether you're a budding programmer or simply curious about how these intelligent systems work, this video series is tailored for you. We'll guide you step by step on how to build a simple AI model, leveraging tools that are not only powerful, but also readily available. So, buckle up as we dive into the world of artificial intelligence. Scene script. First things first, let's gather our tools. Embarking on the journey of building your own AI begins with equipping yourself with the right tools and resources. At the core of this adventure is the Python programming language, renowned for its simplicity and power in the world of coding. Python serves as the backbone for writing your AI scripts and algorithms. Next in your toolkit should be a machine learning framework. Two of the most popular choices are TensorFlow and PyTorch. Both frameworks offer robust, flexible environments for designing and deploying machine learning models. TensorFlow is known for its intuitive design and scalability, while PyTorch is celebrated for its ease of use and dynamic computing capabilities. Access to datasets is also crucial. These datasets are the training ground for your AI, teaching it to recognize patterns and make decisions. Websites like Kaggle and the UCI Machine Learning Repository offer a plethora of free datasets suited for a variety of AI projects. With these tools at your disposal, you're ready to start building. Now let's set up our development environment. First, you'll need to install Python, the programming language of choice for many AI developers due to its simplicity and powerful libraries. Head over to the official Python website and download the latest version for your operating system. Follow the on-screen instructions to install it on your computer. Next, it's time to choose and install an AI framework. For beginners, TensorFlow or PyTorch are fantastic options. They both have extensive documentation and a supportive community. You can install either of these using pip, Python's package installer. Simply type or in your command prompt or terminal. Once Python and your AI framework are ready, consider setting up an integrated development environment or IDE. Jupyter Notebook is excellent for real-time code execution and visualization, making it ideal for experimenting with AI. Alternatively, PyCharm offers more robust features for software development. Great! With your environment ready, you're set to begin coding. AI is nothing without data. Let's understand this crucial component. At the heart of any artificial intelligence system lies data. Think of data as the fuel that powers AI, much like food fuels our bodies. Without high-quality data, even the most sophisticated AI models are like engines without gasoline, simply unable to run. Now, the types of data necessary for AI training can vary widely. We have structured data, which lives in neat rows and columns like you'd see in a spreadsheet. Then there's unstructured data, which includes everything from images and videos to text and audio. Each type of data serves different AI purposes and requires different handling techniques. But how does one acquire and prepare this data? Start by accessing publicly available datasets. Websites like Kaggle or UCI Machine Learning Repository are treasure troves of data suited for various AI projects. Once you've chosen your dataset, the next step involves cleaning and organizing it. This means handling missing values, removing duplicates, and ensuring consistency. With our data ready, it's time to start the real magic. Now comes the exciting part, building your AI model. Let's start by introducing a simple machine learning algorithm that's perfect for beginners, the decision tree. This model is like a flowchart that makes decisions based on the data it sees. First, you'll need a framework to build your model. For beginners, Python's scikit-learn library is a fantastic choice because of its simplicity and robustness. Make sure you have Python and scikit-learn installed in your environment. If you followed the earlier steps in setting up your environment, you're ready to dive in. Now, open your favorite code editor and let's start coding. Begin by importing the necessary libraries. Type This code brings in the decision tree algorithm, a function to split your data, and a tool to measure how well your model is performing. Our model is ready, but it needs to learn from the data. Let's dive into the fascinating world of training and testing your AI model. Training an AI model is akin to teaching a child how to solve a puzzle. You provide examples, or in AI terms, a data set. This data set contains both the questions and the answers. The model learns by trying to match its predictions to the real answers in the data set. This process is iterative, meaning the model repeatedly goes through the data, learning more with each pass. To begin, feed your data set into the model. This is often done through a process called batching, where data is fed in small groups, allowing the model to update its learning incrementally. It's crucial to shuffle the data to prevent the model from learning any unintended patterns. Next, adjust the model's learning rate. Think of this as adjusting the speed of learning. Too fast, and the model might overlook important details. Too slow, and it could take an impractical amount of time to train. After training, it's time to test the model. Testing is done using new data that the model hasn't seen before. This step is crucial, as it tells you how well your model can apply what it has learned to new, unseen situations. It's like giving a student a new set of problems to solve independently. If the model performs well, great. If not, you might need to return to training, tweak the parameters, or provide more diverse data. Congratulations! Your AI model is now trained and ready to perform tasks. This is just the beginning of exploring the capabilities of your new AI companion. You've built an AI, but what can you do with it? Imagine this: your newly created AI can transform into a personal assistant, streamlining your daily tasks and schedules with ease. But let's not stop there. With some tweaks and more data, it could even predict your preferences and suggest activities, books, or even recipes that you might like. Or perhaps you're into finance. Your basic AI model could be expanded to analyze stock market trends, offering insights that help you make informed investment decisions. By incorporating real-time data feeds and historical analysis, your AI becomes a powerful tool in financial forecasting. Now let's think bigger. In healthcare, AI can revolutionize how we predict and diagnose diseases. With further development, your AI could assist in analyzing medical images or predicting patient outcomes based on past medical records. This not only speeds up the diagnostic process, but also increases its accuracy, potentially saving lives. And for the creatives out there, AI can be your next collaborator. Whether it's creating music, writing stories, or generating art, AI can now contribute to creative processes in ways that were once unimaginable. By training your AI on specific styles or genres, it can start generating unique pieces that reflect your artistic vision. The possibilities are limitless, and your journey has just begun. Each additional layer of complexity or data you add opens new doors. So keep experimenting, keep learning, and watch as your AI begins to transform not just your world, but the entire world around you. You've just taken your first steps into the world of AI development. What an incredible journey it has been. From grasping the basics of artificial intelligence in our introduction, to selecting the right tools and setting up your environment. We've covered how to understand and organize data and the thrilling process of building and training your very own AI model. Remember, each component we explored is a building block. Think of it like learning to play a musical instrument or mastering a new language. The more you practice, the more fluent you become. Experiment with different data sets, tweak the model parameters, or even try to solve new problems with your AI. The possibilities are as boundless as your imagination. As you continue to explore the fascinating world of AI, remember that every expert was once a beginner. Keep exploring, keep learning, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your AI journey with us. Happy coding!